In today's video, we're taking a look at how to change an electrical outlet easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you woke up today with outlet in your mind and not the clothing store. Is that outlet that every time you plug something in, it pops off, or it falls, or it leaves. You're starting to think that they're watching you. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we're gonna help you out. So no matter what's wrong with your outlet, if you're replacing it, is the same technique. Always remember to contact a pro for installation. The first thing that we want to do is turn off the breaker for that outlet, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day or any kind of day is to die. We can verify if there's no electricity on the outlet by using a non-contact voltage meter. If it beeps or it turns red, then that's not a good sign. It means it still has electricity and you want to verify that you have the correct breaker. Now that there's no electricity on the outlet, we can go ahead and remove the faceplate. In your case, it could be a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver. Remember the golden rule of lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now that we have the plate out the way, we have access to the outlet. And because life is the greatest thing on the world, we're gonna check that outlet for electricity once again. And now move with confidence like Master Splinter. The first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the top and bottom screw to remove the outlet from the electrical box on the wall. Once they come loose, we can leave them in the outlet. It just makes picking up things easier later on. And if your outlet doesn't have any screws, you can reuse the same ones if they're good. Now is the time of the video where we take a look at outlet technology. So usually these stores give you better prices than retail. I mean, wrong video. If you notice to the right of the outlet, the screws are of a golden color. If we look at the left side of the outlet, they are of a silver color. So basically what we're gonna do is copy and recreate how the outlet is originally placed. But if you're placing the outlet from scratch, the golden screws are for the live wire, which are typically the black one, meaning that the silver screws are for the white one. But remember, at the end of the day, every country, region, city, location may have different rules and regulations that you need to follow. So in your case, it may differ from this one. But if you want to take the extra step with a voltage meter, you can verify which one is the live wire. So basically what we're gonna do is start connecting one by one. As we disconnect it from the old outlet, we'll connect it on the new outlet. The other way that you could do it, you can use tape to label each wire's location, or throw a picture of the outlet and like that know where each cable goes. We're gonna start with the top left one first. We can remove the wire with a plier to bend it a little bit, and we can also place it back and then bend it to fit snugly around the screw. We use the pliers to remove them and also to place them snugly on the new one. We're basically gonna repeat the same process for the bottom left one. And we want to tighten every screw hand tight. Once we notice it doesn't go no more, that's good enough. You can always give it that one push just to make sure it's not going anywhere. Now on the bottom of the outlet, you're gonna notice a green screw, which is for ground. In most cases, this would be the only wire that does not have a sleeve around it. Now that we finish with the silver and green screw, we can go ahead and move on to the live golden screw. And these are the ones that give the magical powers. We're gonna start by the top right one. And now we finish with the bottom right one. Also, before placing the outlet back on the wall, you can snug the cables a little bit just to verify that they're not loose. Now that you know coordinates like top right, bottom left, you're ready for the next step. And this is basically reverse engineering your way to the finish line. We're going to take the new screws that hold the electrical outlet to the electrical box on the wall, and we're going to start by the top one. We're going to go in 20% and then do the same for the bottom one. And the same way we keep going until we finish. Once you feel it tight for the first time, that's enough. Now we're ready to place the beauty mask. A pro tip, using a new faceplate will give your outlet a new facelift. Or in some cases, you can take a scrubbing pad and clean the faceplate and leave it like new before placing it on the wall. So you're not only changing outlets, but you're making your house more beautiful. Now you can pat yourself on the back for becoming one with the wall. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.